Hmm, konnichiwa. Arigato. Sumimasen.
VJ Mark, ba't naman nag-aaral ka ng mga ganyan?
Alam mo, VJ Shannon, pangarap ko talaga makapunta ng Japan. Gusto ko talaga makapunta doon kasi marami masasarap na pagkain, culture, tsaka yung mga tao. Tapos gusto ko rin magkameron ng business dito sa Pilipinas, dito sa atin, na Japanese-inspired.
Ay, VJ Mark, tama-tama. Dahil yung may interview natin sa Coffee House Chat, talaga naman yung pagkain, yung drinks, sobrang sarap. At siguradong-sigurado yung gusto mo, matitikman mo.
Ay, gusto ko yung VJ Shannon.
Kaya naman, abangan natin yan dito sa Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes Season 2!
Welcome and mabuhay!
I'm your VJ Shannon.
I'm your VJ Mark.
At ito ang
Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes.
Ayun, VJ Mark, di ba sinasabi mo nga kanina na gusto mong matikman yung mga pagkain yung sa Japan kasi gusto mo din makapunta, tama?
Tama, VJ
Kaya naman
Shannon.
sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenya natin, hindi na natin to patatagalin pa at ipapakilala na namin yung guest namin ngayon. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Anton. Ayan, hello po. Kamusta po?
Hello, good day ha.
Kamusta
Okay naman,
na po?
okay naman. Masarap yung mga kape natin.
Yes,
yan.
nakikita ko nga po sa harapan eh. Parang gusto na pong tikman ni VJ.
Oh, yan! VJ Shannon
Kasi
eh.
po, Sir Anton, kanina, gusto niya daw po matikman yung mga pagkain from Japan. Eh, naisip ko po kayo. Since yung, eto po, nasa harapan po natin, ay parang inspired po sa Japan dahil nga po sa pangalan po.
Mamonako ko.
Yes. Ano po bang meron dito sa Mamonako?
So, we do specialty cold coffee. No? So, Tokyo specialty cold coffee and mochi donuts.
Mochi
So,
donut
kasi, we now have like 4 branches. We started in Good Food in UP Diliman. But siguro yung we're most known for the Hole in the Wall. Eh.
Opo.
The first Hole in the Wall cafe in the country.
Yung nakikita natin sa TikTok.
Sa TikTok.
Oo.
Yung isang bilog lang na hole.
Yung parang
Isang-
yung bilog lang tapos doon ka mismo bibili.
May storya yun kasi people think na whole land talaga yun. Pero masarap yung mga kape nun. Yung mga kabataan kasi ngayon, pag nagkape sila, cold coffee. So actually yan ang what some people say na the 4th wave of coffee is really specialty cold coffee. And so that's what Mamonako Coffee is. all
Pero
about.
syempre, bago po tayo ulit magpatuloy, batiin niyo po muna yung mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo natin.
Hi, awesome.
Tsaka kung may mga gusto po kayong
Awesome day.
batiin.
Yeah. Awesome day and awesome morning, evening, and afternoon to everyone, especially to our Awesome Planet readers, followers, and subscribers, and our fans from Mamonako Coffee.
Ayan. Yes.
So, paano po kayo nag-start o kailan po kayo nag-start sa ganitong business?
So, ano ba? Gusto mo from the start o sa ano lang? Mamonako Coffee.
Siguro sa from the start po muna tayo.
From our Awesome Planet.
Yes, Awesome Planet po muna tayo pag-usapan po muna natin. Yes.
Okay. So, so I work for Procter & Gamble Philippines. I was the Chief Information Officer for 12 years. And then during that time, my boss then was Janip Kua. I was part of the management committee. And sabi ni Janip sa akin nun, you know, yung IT kasi at the time, bumibili lang ng, ng mga computer, bumibili lang ng mga wide area network, mga LAN, ganyan. So, yan yung mga camera, kabisado namin yan. But sabi niya, how can IT help marketing? So, we started researching. This is like 2000, mga 2003. Okay, 2004. Sabi niya, how can IT help marketing? And at the time, makikita mo na clearly, blogging is starting.
Yes.
All the platforms are starting. YouTube was starting, Facebook was starting. And makikita mo clearly na the digital landscape would change. Now, at that point in time, akala ko kasi mabilis yung adoption sa Philippines kasi we have a lot of youth, no? But actually, it took the pandemic to really, yung adoption ng digital to be fully mature in the country. So, yun, I started blogging in 2005. 2005. I think I'm the only one of the few that's left in that era. And the reason we started it, aside from doing it, actually, I was doing it for work muna.
Yes.
So I was blogging about IT, technologies, and stuff. Hindi nag-work. And then, my first son, Aidan, was born. So, kasama na si Aidan. So, Aidan is now 19 years old as the blog. So, we've been, and imagine in 2005, I've been doing all this content creator stuff that they call now influencer. And, just go back to 2005, yung mga tao, ano ba tong, ano na to? And, ano ba tong mga blogging na to? And, And actually, I quit my job in 2008 to pursue full-time blogging. So imagine 2008 and a lot of people were asking, ano ba yan, may pagkakitaan ba dyan? Wala. So all of them, I remember I was part of JCI Manila at the time, and sabi niya, ano ba yung puro businessman yan? Sabi niya, ano ba yung content creator na yan? Wala yatang ano yan, kasi puro kain lang na kain and feature na feature. Of course, 20 years after, parang you don't discuss it anymore kasi everybody's into it, no? But at the time, parang ang motivation namin really was to first to document our food and travel adventure kasi it's our love letter to our sons. Yes. So we have 4 boys, and every time silang lumalaki, ganyan, binablog namin and then sinusulat namin. At the same time, we wanted to try out a lot of restaurants. So remember, this is 2005. Tagal na namin ginagawa itong... so we've covered the whole industry. We've traveled around. And buti na lang yung wife ko. Sabi ko, nagpaalam ako, pwede ba ako mag-resign sa PNG? Sabi niya, game naman daw. So we have 2 boys at the time. And our kids are growing up And we strategically decided na we want to be with our kids when they grow up. Kasi we, working for a multinational company or, as you go up the ladder, parang ang hirap, diba, to be with your kids. So you want to be entrepreneur also. And the hardest part of it also, in our family, I think some of the audience might relate to this. In some families, there are first-generation entrepreneur. Kasi there's a difference between a first-generation entrepreneur. Like in your family, lahat nagtatrabaho, di ba? Lahat na gano'n. And you're the first one who tried to get into business and entrepreneur. I remember we don't have mentors at the time. Wala. So your mentors are your mistakes. Nobody talks about it. Walang mga shows na ganito. As in, wala talaga. Nothing online. So you have to parang look for mentors. So initially nga, we went to JCI Manila. And then eventually, we went to BCBP, parang Business Catholic-Oriented Organization. And then, doon nag-start. And in 2005, 2008, doon nag-start lahat. Facebook started, Google, ads, etc. Instagram started. So we saw the entire landscape. And until today, where you have TikTok and stuff. So we are blogging about the places that we've gone to, the restaurants, and then we help them promote the restaurants. So yun, and we got to travel the world also with my wife. Yeah.
Ba't parang gusto mong nang magsalita?
Oo, sobrang napaka-awesome. Awesome planet talaga. Awesome talaga. Kasi, Biggie Shannon, based dun sa sinabi ni Mr. Anton, talagang way back. Kasi millennial tayo ngayon. It's either Gen Z or millennial. Hindi pa natin, sabihin ko, ako hindi ko pa gaano alam yung 2005 until now na yung generation natin, pagdating sa mga vlogging na ganyan, hindi sila mulat Parang hindi pa sila gaano nila kilala kung anong meron noon tsaka ngayon. Lagi napapagkumpara yun Noon at ngayon. So ngayon, at least, nalaman natin na Yung generation ngayon, o yung panahon ngayon, is mas nag-involve. O nag-evolve, evolve. So, maraming kabataan, especially yung ganitong business, nila Mr. Anton, Japanese-inspired.
Yes, tama.
Kasi
BJ Mark.
sabi din ni Sir Anton, mahilig yung mga kabataan. Katulad natin, iced coffee, sa mga cold drinks. So, patok na patok talaga to sa atin.
Yes.
Tama,
BJ Mark,
Janet?
nabanggit mo about business. So, di ba may business nga sila, Sir Anton? So, dun po ba sa pagdidesisyon nyo po sa pagbi-business, meron po ba kayo naging regrets po?
Naging regrets.
Apo.
Okay. So,
Apo.
itutuloy ko yung story, no?
Apo.
And okay lang naman, di ba?
Yes,
Anyway, dito. So, so in 2005, very important na maintindihan, and I quit my job in 2008. And I wanted to share lang na the main reason I quit was I was actually at the crossroads of my career, no? Whether to I got an offer sa Procter & Gamble Philippines to go to Singapore or to do full-time vlogging. So which means I have to quit my day job. You know, how did I decided to quit my day job against all odds? I attended actually the first ever Kirigma conference ni Bo Sanchez in Ultra. It's the first ever, first time they did it. And when Brother Bo was preaching, doing tongues and stuff, I got a vision na if I pursue blogging, ang vision is parang ang daming people embracing me. Yes. Parang you're able to help more people here versus IT okay rin naman, pero it's more back-end kasi, di ba? Yes. You're doing the servers, you're implementing and stuff. So that's the main reason we went there. And actually, in fact, we were very active with the Kirigma conference and stuff. And then, so we were doing food and travel blogging. My main regret is that I should have started my food business way back then. Kasi I was blogging for almost 20 years now, 19 years. Nakikita namin mga problems ng mga restaurant owners. Ang daming problema talaga from yung mga taong ninanakawan, yung mga inventor and stuff. So that discourages us to starting our own business. We actually had the business also before Mercato with sila RJ, and then we left that. We started our own food market called Good Food in UP Diliman. And then sa UP Diliman, we started two businesses, which is Mamonaco Kohi. Yan, sobrang sikat. And then the second one is Flipside Burger. So, sikat na burger din.
Sige, so BJ Mark, alam kong napapahaba na yung usapan natin.
Nakakalimot!
BJ Mark and Sir Anton. So, syempre sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo natin dyan, magbabalik kami muli dito sa Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes. Ayun, magka-coffee break lang po muna kami. Medyo napasarap na po yung
marami pa tayo
kwentuhan.
pagkukwentuhan, diba?
Yes, coffee break na po muna tayo. Ayan.
Cash is fleeting, yet spending for experiences lasts a lifetime. We offer visa assistance, ticketing, insurance, and accommodation for your personal and business needs. It was great, no glitches, just arrived tonight, our client said. So do you want to experience that type of fast and secure flight for you and your family? Book yours now with Fly Travel Express. Fly fast with delight.
Sana nagbabalik na pala tayo. At nagbabalik muli ang Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes.
Ayan, siguro pwede na tayo magtuloy, VJ Mark.
Oo. Sir Anton, kasi na-open up nyo pala
Sarap
po
ng
kanina
kape,
yung
VJ
2005. Ha?
Ang sarap ng kape.
O, diba? Baka makalimutan mo pangalan mo after.
VJ Shannon.
VJ Shannon. So, sabi ni Sir Anton kanina, from 2005, nag-start na siya mag-vlogging. So, si Sir Anton is one of the pioneer pagdating sa vlogging o as a vlogger.
Kasi di ba VJ Mark, IT siya. Tapos parang ilang taon, lumabas na siya sa camera, di ba? Kumbaga, doon na siya nag-focus.
Oo, di ba? Pero sir, way back ba, shy type kayo?
Yeah, I think most of all the IT people naman are introverts eh. Pero naging well, we don't consider ourselves extrovert also.
Yeah,
Alam mo, kaya yung hole in the wall, ito lang i-segue ko
yes,
lang.
sure po.
Bakit hole in the wall yun? Kasi it's for introvert barista and introvert customers. Yung, di ba kasi yung sa iba, sabi nila yung sa Manhattan, yung mga barista kailangan marunong makipag-usap.
Yes,
Dito, ang daming
Socialization
introvert
talaga.
Kaya hole in the wall yun para you just make the coffee, you serve it. And then yung mga customers, di ba, minsan pag-order kang kape, ayaw mo na makipag-chika dun sa
sa counter.
So that's why that went viral also kasi it really reflected in a lot of introverts in parang kami rin.
Ay, ang ganda ng idea na yun, Biggie Shannon. Kaya na-ask ko rin si Sir, kasi syempre, based dito sa, ano pong name nila?
Mamonako.
Mamonako Kohi. Ito po yung hole in the wall, di ba? So, pag-usapan naman po natin paano nag-start to. Kailan po nag-start?
Okay. So, it just started in 2023 when we opened our food market in UP Diliman. It's called Gyud Food. So, it's one of the best food market in the country. And ang difference niya, it's an incubator market. Meaning, we incubate new concepts. And so, one concept that we incubated is Mamonako Kohi. So, we partner with Jomag, who's the founder of Potato Corner, with Raymond So also, who's our coffee master now from El Capitan, and 2 more partners. And sabi namin, how can we introduce really good coffee in Manila? There are different kasi yung mga barista nga namin sabi, sir, pag may nag-order ng hot, it's the elder generation older generation. Pag yung mga bata, it's all cold coffee. But the thing with the cold coffee industry we have here right now, dalawang segment yan merong mga discount coffee, yung gusto lang nila milky and sweet. But kami, we wanted to do specialty cold coffee kasi you want your coffee na masarap and the study shows na one person drinks 7 times a day. So, but iba-iba yan kasi sa morning, Amerikano ka, kung nag-intermittent fasting ka, tapos it goes throughout the day, di ba?
Yes,
Kayo, limang mga kape niya. So, you want... And coffee is not anymore coffee. It's like lifestyle. It's like the shirt you're wearing. You want to be identified with the coffee you're drinking. So, and we all love Japanese. I think a lot of Filipinos love Japanese. My son loves Japanese anime and stuff. And yun. So everybody has got influence in the food. And Japanese is known for their precision. And yun, that's why all our drinks, Arabica, everything from the ice that we use are really good, the combination, the mochi donuts that we use. But instead of going down, kasi most of our cafes here in Metro Manila, bilang mga Zen, di ba, white, ganyan, we going to the Akihabara, Harajuku route na fun, color, puro neons, So, and we saw a need for that market, especially for youth. So that's why we're in UP, we're in Binild, and then now we're in Scout Rallios. And then, in fact, when that concept went viral, sa Philippines, ang dami kaming increase for franchising or for partnership. Walang problema yan. But, we got all interests abroad. So, we're talking to Kuwait, to Toronto, UK, Ireland. Kasi nga, parang talagang they love the idea. In fact, yung mga franchisee na we talked to Toronto a while ago, naka-resonate sila dun sa introvertness Actually, may mga introvertness talaga yung mga ibang tao. Sometimes you like your own coffee lang, masarap yung coffee. And if you look in the social media, wala nagsasabing hindi masarap yung coffee.
Yes, tama.
Parang katulad ni VJ Mark po.
Ikaw ba, sa isang araw nakakailang take ka ng kape?
Dati VJ Mark, 3. Pero ngayon hindi na. Kasi eto na yung gusto ko.
Yes, perfect!
Yes, go VJ.
Nabagay din pala ni Sir Anton na nagba-vlog siya. So, it's all sa travel po ba, tsaka sa food. So, Sir, ano yung one of the best experience nyo sa pag-vlog or na best na napuntahan nyo na film nyo po or na-record nyo?
Okay. So, we're doing blogging, writing, YouTube, etc., social media, Instagram. And marami talaga rin kami napuntahan. But yung mga favorite naming napuntahan in all our travels, is Holy Land talaga.
Holy Land.
Yung Holy Land. Ang ganda talaga ng Holy Land. Not only, actually masarap yung food ng Holy Land. Nobody really talks about it so much, yung mga Jewish food. But at the same time, the different sites. Kasama nga namin si wife namin noon. And she was pregnant with our fourth son, si Yugi. Kaya ang pangalan niya Israel Gabriel kasi we went to Holy Land. Actually, with sila Brother Bo. The first time also they started going back to Holy Land with the Feast family. So yun. In fact, yun talaga yung so we've been doing food and travel for a long time. And we've opened the way for people to have this career. And ngayon, since marami na, we wanted to go to open our own food business. But I wanted to transition to Catholic influencer. Parang ganon. So we wanted to start transitioning to there and then featuring travel sites na Catholic related. Like yung mga home stories ng mga saints. Interesting Not only the Marian, yung Marian sites also, we've been to Portugal to the Marian site there, yung luluhod ka pa throughout sa so it's beautiful lang, and I think our goal really is to travel around. You know, our realization during the pandemic, sometimes people like check off the list of where to travel, diba? At the end of the day, you know, you have pandemic. What's important is family. And then ang sabi nga namin, you know, living an awesome life is not awesome without Christ, no? So we wanted to really go down that path. And the best travel, alam mo, na we want to do is to travel to heaven. So we wanted to be able to cover that. Yun yung transition namin. Kaya mo ba yan?
Parang gusto kong sumama kay Sir Anton. To travel the world.
Yung mga anak namin.
Yes. Sir Anton, may nabanggitin po kayo na about sa burger.
Oo,
So,
yes.
bagong business rin po ba yun?
Yes, so we partner with Chef Ed, who's the burger master here in the Philippines. And Flipside Burger, grabe, it's going viral also in UP Diliman. We're opening our Covia and others. So we do smash burgers, and sobrang sarap ng burger talaga. And
gusto ko rin matikman
nagba-viral rin ngayon yun.
Yes, pupunta tayo sa kanila.
Yes. Sa ating mga kabawisenya at kabawisenya, when it comes sa mga taxes, accounting, legal advisory, sa mga estate planning dyan na nahihirapan, nandito ang XDTN Company Inc. para tulungan kayo at supportahan kayo. Sa mga partnership o magtatayo pala ng mga new businesses, sa mga franchising, sagot namin kayo. When it comes sa mga registration, iba't ibang services ang pwede namin i-offer sa inyo at alam namin matutulungan namin kayo.
Yes, pero bago po tayo mag-coffee break ulit, paano nyo po pala nakilala si Coach Ayet or yung XDT po?
Paano natin meet? sa wife ko, and then meron rin kaming parang busy. Meron rin kaming program na in-invite namin siya to
He's a busy.
Invite, nice.
Meron kaming live stream with the mga UP doctors. At saka BTS.
Okay.
Tsaka BTS
Kilala
pala.
ni Sir Anton.
Yung sa
BTS.
Yes, ano po yung...
Okay. One of the program, Bible Timeline Study. Ang ganda ng program na yan. Parang 6 months program. You read the Bible through the narrative stories. Ang ganda, sobrang ganda. So we were able to read the Bible from the start until to the salvation story. Tapos kasi yung Bible hindi dire-diretso yan eh. May parang connection. So yun ang pinag-aralan ng Bible Timeline Study, and
doon nakilala ni Sir Anton.
Ayan, so syempre VJ Mark, inom muna tayo ulit
Ay,
at
oo,
magbabalik
oo.
kami. Yan, syempre sa mga kabuwisenya at kabuwisenya natin dyan, magbabalik po muna kami ulit dito sa Coffee House Chat Behind the Nuts. Ayan, sige, tikman na natin ulit VJ. Parang gusto mo nang kumain.
Tikman nyo na to, guys! At nagbabalik po muli ang
Coffee House Chat
Behind the Notes.
Ayan, go VJ Mark.
So, before tayo mag-end VJ Shannon sa ating segment na to, so, Sir Anton, paano nyo po na-maintain yung work tsaka yung faith?
Yung balance.
Balance.
Work and faith.
So, I think walang balance eh. You need to absorb all of it, no? You'd be one soul. And I think the main reason na I'm into this now. Kasi when we got into Brotherhood of Businessmen and Christian Professional, BCBP, no? And the reason na lead kami doon, kasi when as I mentioned to you, I was a first generation entrepreneur. Talagang grabe yung mga business practices in the Philippines na yung iba hindi nagbabayad ng taxes, lokohin ka sa idea, especially in the creator game. Yung mga creators natin, maraming mga ideas, wala kang pera. Tapos minsan kukunin yung ideas mo. And talaga we were so devastated with a lot of people taking advantage of us. And sabi ko, ganito ba ang business landscape natin sa Philippines? Kaya ako na-lead to sa BCPP. And sa BCPP, yun yung where the Brotherhood of Business and Christian Professionals na you want to do things right, pay our taxes, but also work with the families. Ang maganda kasi sa ganito kaya sinasabi ko isa lang dapat. You know, the Philippines is the only country in the world where 50% of the population is under the age of 25. We are set to double the food and beverage industry by 2030 by double. Kasi we get into what economists call as an economic sweet spot. And talaga magbo-boom ang economy ng Philippines. And we want a lot more people, especially the youth, to get into business. Kasi that's the only way you can really take advantage. And yun, yung with BCPP, doon namin change yung motto ko na live an awesome life with Christ. We're actually doing Marian Seneca live online in our Awesome Planet. So yung mga readers nga, bakit maaaring may rosary everyday dito? That's my mom naman, my mom's influence. Tinuruan ko siya mag-livestream ng Marian Seneca niya everyday. So yun, since we've created this career, we really wanted to get into living an awesome life with Christ, promoting Catholic values and stuff. So I think it marries naman. And for business, parang what we do now is we ask the Holy Spirit to inspire us. Ano ba yung next direction, no? How we can help further. And then yung mga nagbi-business diyan, meron kaming pag let's say ngayon may event kami next week, Manila Gastronomia and yung event sa Admiral Hotel. Nagna 9-day novena kami kay Padre Pio para for all our mga main business, 9 days novena. Grabe yung Padre Pio na 9-day na novena. So you should try it out. So ganun, you can really merge it. And what we learned talaga is if it's God's will, ang bilis people will find a way. So ngayon, wala kami nag-resign yung bookkeeper namin, tapos nandiyan yung XD.
Ito na yun!
Hindi ko alam. Mag-usap tayo. So, kakaresign lang.
Handang tulungan po kayo.
And then we're expanding. So, yun. Baka expand.
Gusto ko yung word na expanding. Oo. Makakatulong tayo dyan.
Yes, VJ Mark. Ayan, so Sir Anton, baka po may mga gusto ka pa pong batiin. Or yung mga invite po ng mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo.
Saan kayo pwede makontak?
Yes, please like and follow us in our Awesome Planet in Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, in our blog, and even in X as Anton Diaz. You can also follow us Mamonako Kohi in all the social media channels. And yung Mamonako Kohi, it's really expanding internationally. And yung mga gusto mag-franchise or be our partners, just drop us a note in our Instagram, no? Or Facebook. Kasi it will really help you guys out. Ang return of investment ng is less than 1 year. But we do specialty cold coffee, which is the next trend here in the world.
Wow. Magpa-franchise
talaga. Gusto ko to.
Yes.
So, Biggie Shana, saan ba tayo makakontak na ating
Ayan,
mga
so syempre sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo natin dyan, maraming salamat po sa inyo sa patuloy na pag-antabay po dito sa amin sa TV Maria. Kaya naman sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo natin dyan, lagi nyo po kaming aabangan dito sa TV Maria. At saka syempre, huwag nyo na rin po kakalimutan i-follow, i-like at i-share. Tsaka syempre, VJ Mark, i-subscribe na rin yung YouTube channel nila. Tsaka syempre, kami din po sa XDT and Company, Coffee House Chat, FTX, Flight Travel Express, or kaya ANA Consulting. Yes, tama, VJ Mark. Kaya naman sa mga kabuwisenyo at kabuwisenyo natin dyan, abangan kami lagi.
Yes,
kaya naman, I'm your VJ Shannon.
I'm your VJ Mark.
At ito ang Coffee House Chat Behind the Notes. Leading with purpose, guided by values.
Wow!
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Thank you so much po. O, titigman ko na to. Ito, this one.